Hello everyone, let's talk about a profitable YouTube niche. I recently discovered that no one is talking about, and I want to expose it so you can start making money. The niche is luxury. Easy channels like World of Luxury have about 62,000 subscribers and are making roughly $5,000 per month. Wealth Vault has 62,000 subscribers and makes about $2,000 per month. Millionaire Town is making around $1,000 per month. These channels expose the lives of celebrities and superstars, private jets, million-dollar mansions, luxury watches, supercars, yachts, and jaw-dropping collections. Let me tell you why this niche works. For one, viewers love peeking into high-end lifestyles. These topics overlap with luxury, wealth, finance, business. Advertisers love this audience. Collections, net worth, new purchases, and breaking news keep ideas flowing. You can build the entire channel with B-roll, images, voiceover, and editing. YouTube ads, affiliate links, watches, travel, cards, brand deals, and newsletters. Think about it. One video on Messi's car collection can get hundreds of thousands of views, and you could earn $4 to $7 RPM per thousand views. Or talk about David Beckham and their luxury lifestyle. Same effect. In this video, I'll show you how to create a faceless luxury channel, from generating topics and writing a script to creating a voiceover, editing it all together, and finally, designing a clickable thumbnail. Stick to the end for a step-by-step roadmap to launch your luxury brand channel. Step 1. Finding topics. Luxury is a big niche, so you have a lot of topics. You can also niche within the niche. For example, Wealth Swag focuses on celebrities with mansions, while World of Luxury leans into jets, helicopters, and cars. You can pick one lane or mix them. Make it your channel and keep it unique so viewers remember your style. For this example, I'll run a mixed topic channel. Here are 3 ways to find topics. Method 1. YouTube. Autocomplete. Open an incognito window. Go to YouTube. In the search bar, type most luxurious things. Note the autocomplete phrases. By the way, these are real searches. Add words like owned or cars or homes to surface more ideas. Method 2. Most popular videos. Open competitor channels. Sort by most popular. Recreate something similar with a unique twist. Track trends. If a new celebrity pops, make most expensive things David Beckham owns, or David Beckham car collection. Curiosity spikes views. Method 3. AI assist. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT to help you find topics. Now, you might be wondering, wait, how do I find a good topic to talk about in ChatGPT? What do I write in ChatGPT to find good topics? That's where I come in. I've already done the homework for you and created the prompts, and the main prompt is located in the description box below. Head over to my prompt. You'll see placeholders for how many topics to generate and which celebrity name you want the ideas to focus on. For this example, I'll use David Beckham, and I want the prompt to generate 10 viral topics. I'm going to copy and paste my prompt into ChatGPT. Don't ever say AI Girl doesn't have your back. As a small bonus, I've also added some pre-generated topics to give you a head start. For the purpose of this video, I'll choose the topic. Beckham Private Jet. Does he really own a Bombardier Challenger 350? If you're finding value in this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Step 2. Writing scripts. You can write scripts 3 ways. Watch YouTube videos on your topic, do the research, and assemble your own script. Google the topic, read articles, and then consolidate facts and sources. Or use ChatGPT to draft, then human edit for your voice. Use this prompt for the script. In the placeholders, make sure you include how many minutes you want the script to be and the topic the script will be about. Once ChatGPT drafts the script, edit it so it sounds like you. ChatGPT helps, but your personality makes it watchable. Step 3. Generating the voiceover. We're going to start by creating and generating the voiceover. I will be using 11 Labs. This is one of the best voiceover generators on the market, and it's what I use for my YouTube channel. 11 Labs is free for you to try, and it takes up to 10,000 credits, which is very generous. So take advantage of the free trial in the description box below. What you want to do is head over to 11 Labs and go to Voices. The first thing you'll want to do is click on Filters. Go to Languages and choose your preferred language. In this example, we're choosing English. Then choose whatever accent you want. I'm leaving it blank to see all accents. You can also choose a category from narrative and story, conversational, characters and animation, to informative and educational. Since we're creating a storytelling video, narrative and story fits best. However, you can choose whichever voices you like. Some voices are suited for certain scenarios. Choose high quality under quality. Pick any gender and any age. That's pretty much it. Now click Apply Filters. On your own time, go through each voice and see which one you like. For this example, I'll choose John. Click Add to my voices, then click Use Voice. In the past, we would copy and paste our script into 11 Labs and break it down, so 11 Labs could do its thing and generate the voice. In the recent update, you can make this process even faster. Here's how. Go to Studio, then select Start from Scratch. Go to your script, copy the entire script and paste it. It even shows you how long the script will be before you generate the voice, and it doesn't take any credits until you press play. When you press play, the voice generation begins. At the bottom right, you'll see how long your script will be. For this example, I want to make my script 1 minute long. Press play and let the voice generate. Listen to your script and see if you like it. PS. This mode has saved me a lot of time. Once you're satisfied with your voice generation, click Export. Under File Structure, click Single File. Under Audio Format, leave it at MP3, then click Export. Wait for the export status to say Ready. Once it's ready, click Download. Now that we have a voice generated, let's move on to image generation. Step 4. Finding images and videos. On YouTube, search Bombardier Challenger 350 or your subject. Click Filters, head to Features, then click on Creative Commons. Use only relevant clips. Check the description for Creative Commons attribution and credit the creator in your description. To download a video, copy the URL of the video. Go to Google and search YouTube to MP4. Paste the URL, then click Convert. You can also use official brand media when you're promoting their product. Still add attribution. Mix brief video clips, 4 to 5 seconds, with more photos to reduce copyright risk. You can use Pexels, Pixabay, Canva Stock. You can also generate AI images to avoid copyright entirely. Download everything into one folder named after your topic. Step 5. Editing. Open CapCut. Import your voiceover, clips, and photos. Drag the voiceover to the timeline and trim silences. Lay in photos/clips to match the narration favor photos. Enhance image quality if needed. Add on-screen text for prices, specs, and wow moments. Add effects subtly, then add transitions between every clip. When you are satisfied, export your video. Step 6. Thumbnail. Go to Canva. Arrow click on Create. Arrow YouTube Thumbnail. You can use the image that you generated from ChatGPT as your thumbnail if they came out good. Then you're going to go to Google and type in Remove Background. Since we are using David Beckham as an example, we're going to insert his picture into the background remover site. Download the pic and place it into your thumbnail. Adjust how do you see fit. As for the text, you're going to head over to your generator prompt and copy the thumbtacks it provided and paste it into Canva, and then adjust how you see fit. For the effects, add glow to the subject, echo/shadow to text to make it pop. Once you're done, export, and make sure you make it a PNG file. That's the full flow. Generate topic, writing script, generating the voiceover, finding footage, editing, and then creating a thumbnail. Follow this system to launch your faceless luxury channel and scale with consistency. If you found this valuable, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me go and hunt for some more niches and AI tools. Until next time, ciao.
It's 2025, and the rumor hasn't died. Does David Beckham really own a $26 million Bombardier Challenger 350, or is it just clever PR? The answer changes how you see celebrity aviation costs forever. By the end, you'll know what's fact, what's speculation, how much this jet really costs to own and operate, and the exact steps you can use to verify any celebrity jet ownership claim yourself. Here's the truth. Beckham has been linked to a Challenger 350 worth about $26.6 million. But records show it's rarely flown. Ownership is possible, but the smarter move, just like many celebrities, is to charter or park it in storage to save millions in yearly costs.